This experiment started off by taking DNA from our pet deer, splicing it together with DNA from our pet lab rat. We took their samples to our laboratory where we spliced them together and fertilized eggs, and after 3.5 months, they were born. What you were looking at is the world's first half deer, half rat. We're not exactly sure what to call them, but they're extremely cute and cuddly, and they're about the size of a rat. We made about 500 of them, and let many go back into the wild where they belong. Thanks for watching.